and welcome back to my channel. And if you're watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Pallavi and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you are interested in any of my videos, then stick around by subscribing to my channel. We all know that we all girls are so much attached to makeup, and some people still don't know what exactly are the basic products which we require for the makeup. So in this video, we will be discussing certain products, the minimalistic makeup products which everyone needs to have in their makeup bag. This is from Marks and Spencer. It is light pink in color, a lightish pink, or you can call it as nudish pink in color. So it opens from here. There is a zip detailing over here, so like it opens from here. I have purposefully not removed that because like it just, you all know that it just gives a sturdiness to the complete bag, and the products don't go here and there. Actually it was a 4-in-1 piece. This was the biggest one which is missing from here. So yes, with that being said, let's open what is there in my makeup bag. So I'm quickly going to show one by one what exactly is there in my makeup bag. Basically, to start with, first of all, I have aloe vera gel. Now this aloe vera gel is a very good primer as well as it moisturizes the skin. So it is 2-in-1 product, as well as it has so many skin advantages, so many skin benefits. So this is one product which I have in my makeup bag. Moving from there, also I have sanitizer. So this sanitizer, I always keep it in my bag. So basically this is the Revlon 24 hours foundation which I like the most. So I also must be having a BB cream in my makeup bag. So in case I'm not in the mood to put the full coverage kind of foundation, then I basically go for BB cream and then just powder it up, so just to get a slight tint of color out the skin. So that BB cream just helps us to even out the skin. So in case I'm not going for a full-on foundation look, then I opt for BB creams, which I must also be having in my makeup bag. The next is obviously Nivea moisturizer. If at all I need a moisturizer, then I keep this Nivea cream in my bag. The next is some rubber bands. Who knows, one can feel a need for this. So yes, these are some of the rubber bands which I basically keep on my keep in my makeup bag. So another one is concealer. This is the Maybelline's Insta Age Rewind Concealer in the shade medium. So this I have almost finished half, and this is my one of the favorite concealer. If you have been seeing my videos for a while, you must have easily understood that this is my all-time favorite concealer, and I cannot skip that concealer in my makeup bag. The other one is I have this nudes palette. Now this nudes palette, you can easily see how much I have finished the shades from here. I've already emptied 2 brown shades and one shimmery shade. These two shades I use it for shaping my eyebrows, and this for highlighting. But I'm still like this, when this both finishes, I'm going to switch for this brown shade. So this Maybelline's nudes palette is a must. Another one obviously is my powder. This is almost going to finish, and I love this product. I just love this product. This is in the shade 222 True Beige. So this is another product which I have in my makeup bag. Then comes some Q-tips and wipes. So in case I have to get rid of some particular makeup, then that is what is there. A Maybelline's contour and highlighting stick. So this is like, I basically don't go with this on an everyday basis. Like I only go for bronzing, putting a bronzing powder on both the sides. Even today I have put only a bronzing on both the sides. But sometimes if I'm going for a full kind of foundation look, then I go for applying these contour sticks and use the highlighter of this to highlight my peak points. The next one is obviously a powder brush to apply my powder, to apply my blush, to apply my contour. Like I just swipe it like this and apply my contour on both the sides. So this is like one brush which can be used in different ways. So then comes obviously a mascara. Now this is Mega Volume Miss Manga, Maybelline, L'Oreal's mascara. Then comes obviously a BB cream, which I was talking about. So these BB creams are really very essential in any of the makeup bags. Then obviously I have comb, some palettes. Now these palettes are like, I have two of my palettes. One is a Makeup Revolution palette, which has a contouring, highlighting, as well as a blush shade in that. As well as I have this Master Blush palette. So even this has all the things, so I can either go for any one of that. So this is the Master Blush palette from Maybelline. Then obviously I have mascara. This is Volume Million Lashes mascara. So I already showed one mascara before, so this is another one mascara which I have. Then obviously I have a lip balm. This is aloe vera lip balm. Then I also have some lip shades. Now I have I have 4 lip shades here. This is also, I want to tell you this product that is from Maybelline. This, I think this Maybelline's product is Master Graphic Liner. I really love this because of its, let me open it for you, because of its tip. Now you all can see it has a slanting tip. This is really a very important product which you can use especially for the beginners for doing a wing liner. So this is the Master Graphic Liner. Then I have 4 of my favorite lipsticks. The last few things which I have in my makeup bag essentially is a clutcher. Everyone should have one. Then there is one eyebrow shaping brush and some tip tops. Everyone should have these products. And obviously this safety pin. I think if you're asked one product which I should never skip from this makeup bag, it should be this safety pin. You'd never know when can you need this. So yes guys, that comes to the end of my bag. I have emptied my complete bag. So if this video finds you helpful in any ways, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I think also I want to stress upon that there are many people. I was just recently going through my demographics and I found so many people watching my videos till the end but they're not subscribing to my channel. Then please guys, please, if you are giving your valuable time seeing those videos, seeing my videos, then I would ask that why are you not subscribing to my channel? Also, we are going to reach 100 subscribers, my first 100 subscribers, and I'm so happy that without your support it was not at all possible. So I'm really thankful to you so much that you shared your valuable time, you shared your energy, you shared your valuable time, and here I am presenting videos for you, and which I will be continuing doing further. And I really hope that those who have not subscribed yet are definitely going to subscribe channel by now. So basically that was it guys. These were all the products which I have in my makeup bag. This is not something which everybody should have in their makeup bag, but definitely these were the products which I love. I use it every day. These are the minimalistic makeup products which everybody should have in their makeup bag. On that note, I would take a leave for now. Please hit the bell notification below right next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified each time I'm going to upload. Please do hit the like, subscribe button, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. So in this video we will be discussing as well at I don't know why I'm getting so much of slip of tongue today.